Okay, if A, B are two matrices given that A and B are A is 2 minus 2, 4, 2, and minus 5, 1. B is also given. Then you have to find X. X is question mark. And the given is that 2A plus 3X must be, it is given. The condition is given. And we have, what we have to do? The question is we have to find X. X is a matrix and we have to find that matrix. How will we do that? Just replace the value of A here and multiply with 2. Multiply take the values of B, matrix B, and then multiply by 5. And X is missing. So after that, just shift the value of 2A into the left, into the right, and then subtract from 5B. You will get the value of 3X. Then dividing both sides by 3, or multiply 1 by 3 both sides. So you will get X. So let us start it. Okay, so A and B are two matrices that are given. And we are given this equation as well. There is, you see, 2A plus 3X is equals to 5B. Now, as I have said that just replace the values of the given matrices A and B. Okay, just replace this 2 will remain the same. A, that's the value of A which is given, plus is there, yes, 3X. So we are not given the value of X, so left it, and on the right there is 5B, so 5 is here. Sir? Yes, B
Sir?
is, yes.
सर मैंने अपने लिए मैथ्स के चैप्टर 1 सारे एक्सरसाइजेस डाउनलोड कर लिए हैं।
जी जी
सही है वो?
बिल्कुल सही है। अगर फिर भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ तो फिर आप उसमें पूछ भी सकते हैं, ठीक है। आप अपना स्क्रीन उसमें स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें और फिर इसमें अगर कोई क्वेश्चन आपने पूछना हो तो आप उसमें से पूछ भी सकते हैं।
सही है। ये सब्जी वाली की आवाज किसके उससे आ रही है?
ओके, ये सब्जी वाले भी, इसकी आवाज इतनी साफ आती है। Okay, so just replace the values of the given matrices A and B. So it is replaced now. Here, that's the value of A and that is B. Okay, now just multiply. Here, there was what? Sorry. This 2A and 5B are here. 3X will remain unchanged. And now the next step, what we are doing? The next step, just 4 and minus 4, that matrix. Shift that to the right. This will move here. And here we have the plus sign that becomes minus. Now, let me clear the screen. That becomes minus. Now subtract this 4 from 40, subtract the corresponding values. 4 from 40, 4 minus 4 from 0, 8 from 20, 4 from this, so you will get this one. Okay, and you can do this one, and here 0 minus 4, so that's why this becomes positive. When there are two minuses, just like here and here, so this becomes plus. Okay, So this is done. If you have any question in it, you can ask me. And then in the next step, what we are doing, we are simplifying this one, just simplifying. This will give you 36, 12, 25, 4 minus 14, and 28. And now divide both sides by, so this is the simplified form. Now divide both sides by 3. Yeah, simply we can say multiply 1 over 3 both sides. Multiply 1 over 3 both sides. This 3 and 3 are cancelled, and that 36 into 1 over 3, हर एक के साथ 1 over 3 मल्टीप्लाई करें. जब इधर मल्टीप्लाई किया तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 1 over 3 with 36 with 4 each, with each and every element you have to multiply 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 is multiplied. So after simplification, we will get this one. 12, you know, here 3 12s are 36. This will remain unchanged. 4 by 3. This 4 and 3. Here these two are cancelled. These two cannot be cancelled. So that becomes minus 14 by 3. These two cannot be cancelled. So that's the answer. If you have any question in it, you can ask. Is it okay? Any question? स्क्रीनशॉट भी साथ साथ लिया करें. Now this question number 7. In question 7, it is said that just find x, y, and z. The question is in equation form, and you have to find the values of a, b, x, y, and z. Sorry, x, y, and z. So you are given this equation. The left hand side, just multiply 3 with x, 3 with y, 3 with z, and w. And here you see x plus 4, 6 plus x plus y, minus 1 plus 3 plus w, 2w plus 3. So इससे आपके पास कोई दूसरा equation आ जाएगा. इसको simplify करें. Just multiply 3 with this and add these two. Okay, so it is done. As I have said, just multiply 3 with each and every element on the left hand side and add the right hand side. 3 with x, y, z, and w. It is done here. And x plus 4, it is there. 6 plus x plus y, it is okay. Minus 1 plus 3 plus w, it is done. 2w, there is plus, and 3. So that's the simplification. Now you are given that these two sides are equal. From this equation, you see left hand side and the right hand side both are this one, mean equal. So if both sides are equal, both the matrices are equal, so it means that first element will be equal to the first one. Second element will be equal to the second one. Third and fourth. So these are known as the corresponding elements. The corresponding elements will be equal. So just finding the first value corresponding the computing the first element, there is 3x and here is x plus 4. So 3x is equal to x plus 4. Shift this x to the left side, x is plus, so that becomes minus 3x minus x, so will give you 2x, so that 4 will remain unchanged. And now we are given 2x, so we have 2x is equals to 4. We have to find x, so just dividing both sides by 2, so that's 4 by 2 will give you only 2. So that's the value of x. Okay, now we have to find the other values as well. So doing this in the same way, finding the values of y. So here we have the second element is 3y. So that is the left, and on the right there is 6 plus x plus y. But we know x is given, x is calculated. So just replace that value of x. This 3y will remain the same. 2y will move there, and you have on the right 6 plus x, and we have x equal to 6. So 2y minus y is 3y minus y is only 2y, and this 6 plus 2, x is the 2 is the value of this x plus in 6 plus x, because this y is shifted there, and that becomes minus, and that is calculated as 2y. So 6 is the same, but x is equal to 2. That is done there. So this becomes 8. So we have 2y is equals to 8. Now dividing both sides by 2. Here you are getting y equals to 4. Two values are done here. Two values are calculated, x and y. Now we have to find z. So the third element is equals to the third one, that is here. So we can simplify this, this one. These two are done. Now 3z, okay, it's up to you, taking this one or this one. And here we have done the 3w is equals to the 2w plus 3. You can do which one, the tartib is important nahi, just do it. I'm doing this 3, doing this one. The 3w is equal to this one, because there is a simple simplification, nothing more than that. And the left there is 3w, and the right that is 2w plus 3. So this 2w will move there. So this becomes 3w minus 2w is equals to 3. So this 3w subtracting 2w, we are getting only w, which is 3. So now taking this one, 3z is equals to this one. So it is done, but we have the value of z, which is this one. The value of w, which is we have calculated there. So just replace the value of w in this equation. So you know minus 1 plus 3 is only 2, and this z is given, which is 3. So that's the value of 3z, which is 5. Now dividing both sides by this 3. So we are getting 5 by 3. So all the values are done. X, okay, y is there, y is 4. Z is 5 by 3, and W is also equal to 3. Okay, now moving to the next question. This was very easy question. And question number 8. We are given two equations, x plus y and x minus y. And the question is to find x and y. We are given two equation, x plus y is equal to something, x minus y is equal to something. So anybody can tell me how can I find x from the left hand side? Anybody? Okay, if you have no idea, so no problem. Let this is equation 1, the second one is equation 2. जरूर नहीं कि आप इसको इक्वेशन 1 या 2 नाम दे दे, लेकिन ये बाद में चेक करने के लिए, वहां पे वैल्यूज पुट करने के लिए आई जस्ट नेम दैट इक्वेशन 1 and equation 2. Here you see that if we add these two equations, we have to find x and y. If you add these two, so you see plus y and minus y will cancel each other. So this becomes 2x equal to 2x is equals to sum of these two, and then dividing both sides by 2, you will get the value of x. So adding these two equations. By adding, we mean this x plus y will be added to x minus y. So it is done there. X plus y and x minus y on the left, they will be added. X plus y and x minus y, they are added. If we subtract this, so y and this y in subtraction, these two sign will again change. So y plus y will be okay. Thank you for reminding me. I have to disable this one. Okay, you cannot write on the screen now. Okay, adding these two equations. So by adding these two equations, this x y plus and y minus, these two will be cancelled. And on the right, just add 5 and 3. This will give you 5 plus 3, 2 plus 6, 0 plus 0, and 9.
हमें तो समझ नहीं आ रही.
बिल्कुल नहीं आएगी.
नहीं सर, फिर मैं कह रही हूँ कि स्टार्ट से समझाएं.
स्टार्ट से नहीं, अभी तक आप सोई हुई थी.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 से समझाएं. मैं सोई नहीं थी. मैं क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ सकती ना, मेरा माइक खराब अभी ठीक हुआ है. तो x minus y is equal to 3 0 6 minus 1 कैसे आया? कंफ्यूज हो ना, मतलब कंसेप्ट क्लियर करना होगा.
ओके ठीक है, ठीक है. ओके, ये 3 6 और ये आपका क्वेश्चन है. It is given in the question x plus y is equal to this one and x minus y is equal to this one. This was in the question. These two are given in the question and you have to find just x and y. Okay, ये कैसे है? These two are given and we have to find these two, x plus x and y separately. We have to find, and combining in the combined form they are given x plus y and x minus y, but we have to find only x and y. So for that, just name it equation 1 and equation 2. Not necessary, but for the simplification you can do it. Okay, these two equations are given, but we added them. By addition, we have to find x and y. When we add these two, so x, y is plus and y is minus, so these two will cancel each other. And on the right, if left hand side is added, right hand side should be added. So 5 plus 3, 2 plus 8, 0 plus 0, or 9 plus minus 1. You have to add them. Okay, it is done. So now we are having x and x. So there are how many x? There are 2x. On the left hand side, x and x are added, so that becomes 2x and y are cancelled.
सर हमने इस साइड के डिजिट्स को ऐड नहीं करना, सिर्फ कट करना है. या अगर x y सरा ना अल्फाबेट्स आ जाए तो हमने कट करना है.
नहीं, अगर ऐड करना है कर सकते हैं तो कर लें, और अगर कैंसिल हो सकता है तो कैंसिल कर लें, किसी भी साइड पे भी हो. Here we have y and minus y, so they automatically cancel each other, and x plus x becomes 2x. So that's why they are cancelled. As you know that plus 2 and minus 2 cancel each other, so that's why plus y and minus y also cancel each other. Okay, so 2x is done. 2x is equals to 5 plus 3. This is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 minus 1 is 8. And we are having, that's the value of 2x. And we have to find only x. In the question, there is only x. So we must have to remove this 2. So when we multiply 1 over 2 both sides, so these two will cancel each other, and 1 over 2 with each term. So 1 over 2 with 8, 1 over 2 with this 8, 1 over 2 with 0, 1 over 2 with 8. So they will cancel each other, will giving you 4. 2 4s are, yes, 4. 0, 1 over 2s are 0. So that's the value of x. X is done. Now we have to find y.
सर ये मल्टीप्लाई विद 2x कहाँ से आया?
Okay, सही है. हाँ, ये ऐसे, these two are cancelled. So there are how many x? When we add x and x, so that becomes 2x. That's why there is 2x. Okay. So that's the value of x.
मैं कह रही हूँ
Now,
कि आपने जो 1/2 लिखा है, ये 1/2 कहाँ से आया? उस साइड से भी 1/2 लिखा है।
हाँ ये तो मैंने कह भी दिया, फिर भी देख ले, सुन ले। We have to find only x. So we don't have, we have to remove this 2. So 2 and x has a product relation. 2 को आपने खत्म करना है, तो देखिए, you know that 2 and 1/2 cancel each other. So for its cancellation, just multiply 1/2 on the both sides. So that's this 2 and 1/2 will cancel each other. So we have to find x. So that is done in the left hand side. On the right, this 1/2 will be with the each and every element of the matrix. So that is done here. That was just a simplification. So the value of x is found out. Now we have to find the value of y. So just replace this value of y of x in equation 1 or equation 2. It's up to you. Both the equations will give you the same answer. So x plus y is simple, because in the x minus y there is a subtraction, and in the x plus y there is no subtraction, there is just addition. So do that. Put this value of x in equation 1. In equation 1 here, just place the value of x. Just place the value of x here. So this equation will be left hand side, right hand side will remain unchanged. Just replace this value x by this one. So you see here, this value is replaced over there. Now we have to find the value of y. For y, just this will move to the right, so it has plus, so that becomes minus. Now 5 minus 4, it is done. 2 minus 4, done. 0 minus 0, 9 minus 4. So after this simplification, 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 0, and 5 minus 9 minus 4, that is 5. So the x and y values are calculated over there. You can take its a screenshot. Okay. Okay. Okay, moving to the next question. And question number 9. It is said that A matrix, B matrix, and C matrices are given. 3 matrices are given. And the value of C matrix A, B, C are given. Value of small c, value of small d, that are given. Then verify that. Then verify that this one. Verify this one. C plus D is equals to CA plus DA. You have to verify that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. And we have the values of A there, A is there, the small c is 2, D is minus 4. So just replace all the values. So you will get the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. Put the values. Take the left hand side. Left hand side is this one. And then put the values. Take the left hand side. The left hand side of the equation is this one. Take the left hand side. So in the left hand side, we are given C plus D into A. Just put the values of C is 2, that is given, plus D minus 4. The value of D is minus 4. That is given. Just replace it. Matrix A that is given. That is also this one. Now simplify this one. For 2 minus plus minus minus 2 minus 4. So this will give you only minus 2. And this will remain unchanged. Now multiply this minus 2 with each and every element. So by multiplying minus 2 and 2, minus 2 and 2 will give you minus 4, minus 2 and minus 3, that is plus 6, minus 2 and 4, minus 8, minus 2 and 5, minus 10. So the left hand side is giving you this value. Left hand side is giving you this value. The right hand side must give this value. So if left and right both coincide each other, both becomes equal. So it means that this is verified. By verification mean the left hand side must be equal to the right hand side. So the left hand side is giving you the left hand side is giving you the value minus 4, 6, minus 8, minus 10. The right hand side must be in the right hand side. Just take this one and put the values. This one CA, C is 2, A is this one, plus DA, the value of D is minus 4, A is also there, and take that value. Now after just simplify it. So after simplification, this 2 will multiply with each element of A. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. That is done. By and there is plus. Now multiply minus with A2. So this will give you minus 8, minus 4 and minus 3, plus 12, minus 4 and 4, minus 16, minus 4 and 5, minus 20. So just minus 4 is multiplied inside the given matrix. After this, just add 4 and minus 8. 4 plus minus 8 is minus 4 minus 8. Minus 6 plus 12. 8 plus 8 plus minus 16. So this is this one. 10 plus minus 20. So that's this will give you minus 4. This is given just 6. 8 minus 16 is minus 8, and 10 minus 20 is minus 10. So from the left hand side, and that's the value of right hand side, and the left hand side is there. So is this equal? Yes, that's equal. So it means that this is verified that left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence that is equal. Okay, let me take the attendance, then we will come to the class. There are 9 students